Wastequip is your only all-in-one resource for waste equipment, parts, service, and financing. As the premier waste handling and disposal equipment manufacturer in North America, Wastequip is armed with technical knowledge and industry experience to solve the collection, handling, and transport challenges facing today's operators, while our products increase our customers' efficiency and profitability. 12 brands, one mission. Our family of brands includes industry leaders like AMREP, Toter, Galbraith, Pioneer, and more. Where you need us, when you need us. So when you're part of the Wastequip North American network, you get seamless coast-to-coast coverage. From sales to service to parts and maintenance, with financing and delivery services to match, Wastequip has the scale, the resources, and the industry expertise to get what you need fast, which means local OEM parts availability. And for any part we don't have, we'll make it for you in under 48 hours so your team can get back to getting things done. And if you need flexible purchasing and up to 100% financing, we can provide it faster than you can say, roll off dumpster. Wastequip is also leading the industry toward a better future. CORE, our corporate responsibility program, reinforces our commitment to doing better business through sustainable practices, protecting the planet, and diversifying our workforce to ensure a brighter future for us, our clients, and our industry. Team Wastequip. Any waste, anywhere. The 12 brands that comprise the Wastequip family are each industry leaders in their own right, offering category-defining innovation and expertise. But together, they comprise the industry's only all-in-one resource provider. The Wastequip team includes Accurate Intermodal Containers, the best choice for the transport and disposal of environmentally sensitive material. Accurate is our brand of environmental intermodal containers. Through Accurate, Wastequip has invested over 25 years into designing, testing, and manufacturing certified environmental intermodal containers capable of properly handling municipal solid waste, sludges, soils, ash, hazardous waste, radioactive materials, and other bulk commodities. AMREP, high-quality refuse equipment. AMREP builds the most durable and reliable trash truck bodies. The AMREP Automated Side Loader, ASL, features a full push-out or hoist-to-dump ejection, and it provides the best weight distribution and highest payload. Its unique design allows the container to travel vertically up the arm until reaching the hopper, minimizing spillage. Filling out the AMREP portfolio are our front-end loaders and rear loaders, all featuring Hardox wear plates, ensuring AMREP products are built to last. Confab, high-performance steel containers. What began with refuse containers has expanded to include recycling, hazardous waste, material handling, and storage containers, as well as nestable front-load and roll-off containers. With multiple fabricating plants that are geared to large volume production, Confab can meet market demands in a timely manner. Many products are available in sub-assembled or knockdown form to facilitate out-of-state and overseas shipments. Meet your Container Pros. Container Pros provides owners and operators an array of specialized services for professional waste management, specializing in container services and container programs. Some of these programs include route and equipment auditing, camera programs, equipment right-sizing, debt recovery, and billing audit programs. Meanwhile, our Container Pros container services include container assembly and distribution, container refurbishing and removal, container washing and relabeling, as well as overall container management. There's a whole lot more to discover with your professional waste service experts, Container Pros. Galbraith, hoists, container handlers, and trailers. Galbraith is the waste industry leader in manufacturing cable hoists, hook hoists, container handlers, roll-off trailers, and transportation trailers. Waste handlers rely on rugged Galbraith hoists and trailers for their outstanding maneuverability and performance. Galbraith hoists withstand the most rigorous challenges faced by customers. Built to outlast everything else on the market, and engineered to even outlast the trucks they're mounted on. Wastebuilt, OEM and Aftermarket Parts. Wastebuilt expands Wastequip's parts catalog, technical support, and distribution in key markets across the U.S. Through Wastebuilt, Wastequip offers customers complete nationwide parts coverage across 6 parts families: refuse bodies, fluid conveyance, containers, chassis, MRO and safety, and automated side loader arms. Mountain Tarp, efficient tarping solutions. Made to the highest standards of performance, Mountain Tarp is the premier manufacturer of tarping systems for construction, agriculture, transportation, and waste applications. Mountain Tarp designs and manufactures tarping systems that secure materials inside the truck, ensuring the safety of that vehicle's driver and of everyone else on the road. System configurations and styles include hydraulic, electrical, semi-automatic and manual systems, and side roll, flip tarp, and cable style designs. Pioneer, the leader in tarping systems. Creator of the rack and pinion tarping system, the gold standard in the waste industry. As the recipient of the first United States patent for an automatic truck covering device in 1967, Pioneer truly is a groundbreaker in aftermarket truck tarp technologies. Since then, the company has continued to set the standard for tarping systems in the waste handling, construction, and recycling industries. Toter, durable plastic carts and containers. Toter is the industry leader in cart solutions. Not just carts, of course, but trash cans, tilt trucks, and plastic dumpsters for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Toter plastic meets even the most challenging jobs head-on because of a stress-free molding technology known as advanced rotational molding. Toter carts are tougher than those of injection-molded competitors, which is why they typically last twice as long. Wastequip, full-service waste solutions. Wastequip is the leading North American manufacturer of waste handling equipment. With steel containers, compactors, balers, and more, Wastequip offers a wide array of waste handling solutions. Our products are designed and engineered to make waste and recycling handling easier and to keep your employees safer, more efficient, and more productive. Wastequip Works, repair and maintenance centers. Even the best-built products require service and parts eventually. When the need arises for hoist or truck parts, tarping systems, routine maintenance, or emergency repair, our equipment owners know that Wastequip Works is on the job, offering best-in-class maintenance and repair, with installation and service performed only by Wastequip-trained technicians. Wastequip Works is your waste equipment service headquarters. Wasteware is your digital solutions partner for the waste and recycling industry. Gone are the days of multiple solutions to address your daily challenges. Wasteware consolidates the waste industry's fragmented tech solution market into one cloud-based platform and mobile application. Experience best-in-class solutions for inventory control, customer management, service scheduling, and view effectiveness with reporting and analytics dashboards. Find out more on how to save time and money with Wasteware. No matter what type of waste is being hauled, and no matter where, for containers, trucks, hoists, tarps, parts, service, and more, trust the experience of Wastequip. Across North America, Wastequip is your only all-in-one waste service provider. Visit us today at wastequip.com.